Hi friends, welcome to Saral Trader. Today we are going to check the charts of the indices. So this is the weekly chart of the S&P 500 futures, which is ES. The symbol is ES, and the micro lot is symbol is MES. Now, first we start with the weekly charts. So as you know, the Saral system is bullish, and the logic for that is that we saw a downtrend on the weekly charts, and we reached to the level of 3500. However, we were still bullish, and while there were talks of breakdown, we said that this level of 3500 should not break. Primarily because the logic was that this level coincides with multiple supports earlier. So this was primarily a level where the post-COVID breakout happened, and also if you see the pre-COVID highs were formed here. So this was a psychological flashpoint level. This range of 3585 and the level of 3390 up till 3200. This level is somewhere where the major buying of institutions happened. So this level was to be defended, and that's the reason we were still not willing to go heavily shorted. We actually maintained covered our shorts, and we were long and looking for long opportunities. And the recent price action on the weekly charts clearly signifies, while there was a down, very overwhelming candle, and then there was an attempt which was again sold off. However, bulls really came up at 3500 level, and these are future charts, and really bought. And next week after that, this particular bullish engulfing, or bullish price action, again an overwhelming bullish candle, signifies that there are buyers at the lower level, very aggressive buyers who have taken and closed at a very high level. So this is a bullish action, confirming our thesis. Now, if you look at the daily charts, similar price action. This is end of September. There was another attempt, a sell-off, but this was not able to technically close below the support break. This particular level, typically support breaks when you close 2% below the support. It never happened, and then there was a massive buying, which was probably short covering or some new buying, whatever happened, and then there was another flow down, uh, and another attempt to break. But this particular candle, which came up when the CPI or some FOMC news came in, which I'm not aware of what news was that. I don't track news. There was a very heavy buying, and this was kind of a very bullish kind of a candle which came in, and now the support has moved to this level, which is 3581. After that, again some selling, again buying. Looks like bulls are looking at buying every drop in the price at the 3580 level, and then they were able to close above the key moving average, the key moving average of 10. This is a 10-day simple moving average. This is a daily SMA, not the period SMA. Then again, a little bit of chopping around, and because of course there are sellers, there are people who are stuck here, they sold. But this particular price action on Friday, again, bulls have reconfirmed their positions that they want to go up. Now, looking at price action, this typically looks like a strong move, and looking at the targets, we might look at a target of around 120 points from here in the following week should come. Bulls will try to move above this. If you look at the smaller time frames, of hour, or even going lower, the Saral system has given a buy signal, which is quite extended. So we might see a little bit. This is a 4-hour chart. We might see a little drop here, coming down, chop around in this area. But this level, this 773 and 652, this particular level, you should, there will be a lot of buying happening, because there are still a lot of people who have not been able to join this rally. See, we are at a level where there is a lot of supply side coming in here. There was a supply here. There is a supply side time here, but it looks like that we may see bulls consolidating their position for some time and then move up. Saral system is really bullish, and we are positioned bullish. We have taken long position. We are holding long positions from this level. The stop loss for this particular setup will be a close which is below 3580 on daily basis. Ideally, we would like to see something close like 3540 or 3550 kind of a close. That's where we will capitulate our positions. We will not really be selling just because there is a touch here or there is a touch somewhere here, because we believe that there will be buying coming in. So we'll wait for a close below this. We have a position hedged through the options, so we are pretty much on the bullish side. We can look at some of the charts of large caps. You will see very similar kind of action here in Google. So this is the Google chart. Again, very similar action, and it's position bullish. Again, if you look at Amazon, Amazon really never really went too much below. It again, took support, and it's kind of moving up. Some of the stock picks that we will discuss in separate video, but I was just looking at the S&P 500 futures charts, and we explained the thesis to you. If you look at the Nasdaq charts, the Nasdaq's very similar price action, very similar. I mean, these are all fractals. There will be some lag and lead. There will be something like that, but typically price action is very bullish. There is more supply left in Nasdaq here, but if S&P 500 starts moving, Nasdaq will follow up. That's pretty much the thesis. And if you look at the what is happening here, when the rally started in June, this was a very similar action. Once it reaches above, there is some selling pressure. Then again, there is selling pressure. Similar kind of a price action is happening even in this particular time frame. We might see some move up and then some selling coming in, and then but till the time we are above 3580, we are not closing below 3580, we will be bullish. Thank you guys. If you have any questions, you can follow me. You can send me a text, you can write a comment, or you can follow up on our Twitter handle. We provide daily intraday levels for all indices, and good to see you around. You can subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you. Bye bye.